What's up? Sound test, sound test, sound test, sound test. You don't know clash time. Is what me I say. Sound test, sound. Now I'm saying niggas say they wanna clash. So we gonna clash. So people, when I hear me, but make sure you not hear me first. When I hear me, when I hear me, I'm here for not hear me. Chevy, you frame.
What they man?
But buckle out. Let's be a jungle 12. Alright, sound test. All the sound. Oh, I start. I have to play Celine and to get the dance up. You know what I'm saying? Eh? Eh? Oh, alright. Sound good? It sound good? Buckle out, it loud. Where's a warm up? Play Celine Dion. Big tune. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my voice when I couldn't speak. Oh, my sound good? Yeah, I still the things. Lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me strength that you. The dance slow. It sound good?
It sound a little low because maybe they're on the mic or something.
Oh, no, that's Sound up? Alright.
The only reason why I remember you
Yeah.
don't load up in the because your voice will go to the and that
Oh.
You know we belong together.
Yeah, that's a warm up. I check the sound, the levels. No Teddy Riley shit.
You be mine forever, baby. You just
We belong together. And you know that I'm right.
Why do you play with my heart? Why do you play with my mind? Said we'd be
You don't know. Kill a sound later. Where them there? What time now? 9:31, them late.
How could you love me and
Never say goodbye. When I can't sleep at night without holding you tight. Each time I try, I just break down and cry. Pain in my head. Oh, I'd rather be dead. Spinning around and around. All we got to do. Remember to the rock them. Still I can't let go. What going? Pause it. This me I talk about technical bumble clock difficulties. Are you ready? Oh no, what them tune here? Let's a warm up. A big clash later. Hey, just bumps. Hey, just bumps. A big clash. I'll give you everything and more.
I'll give you the sun, the rain, the moon, the stars, and the mountains.
I'll give you the world. Walk on to the song. Yo, don't play with me, man. It's in the time to fucking play, you know what I'm saying? Well, I'm glad my sound good, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what the fuck is going on right here. But we good, no worry on yourself, we're good. We'll have to just kick it off, right? Pin the copyright. Alright, I'm gonna do it. We'll have to play a Whitney though. We'll have to play a Whitney. We'll have to play a Whitney. One right. I don't own what? I don't own rights.
For every win,
I don't own rights.
someone must fail.
I don't want for post.
But there comes a point when we excel.
Y'all is there. Champion sound.
Yes, sir, brother.
You ready?
You ready?
Me ready.
Me ready, yeah, fuck.
So you start?
Eh?
You start?
Yeah, we can start it, man.
I start, you know.
Alright, ready? Alright, so what on, man? Eh, what I know. We are started, because we are shy for them things. You know what I'm saying? We have the selector what that's at the end. Alright, so pick up yourself. Yeah. Alright, you want to start it as you're alive in that?
No man, you start it, man. Who started?
Yo.
Let them start it. Who not start it?
Alright, we not
Yo.
I mean say who for clash, you know. So who not start it?
Alright.
You're live, you start.
No, you start, brother.
Yeah, you call me out, you start.
Me no business.
Alright, ready?
Ready.
We are starting right now.
Run through.
Alright, then, what you have to tell the people then?
You know, it's Bounty killing the 5-star German High Tigers, represented for Gallison Parish. No killer of them name, how you name them? In name Gallison Parish, you don't know. Say it again. Yo, you know, it's Bounty killing the 5-star General High Tigers, represented for Gallison Parish. You, tell some motherfucking niggas.
Get them.
Man, can you scream? No need to ball, no need to mingle. Youngsters must see, believe. Oh Lord, another speak. Money receive another gun one day.
What's on the face?
Family and friends want small fish and bread. Somebody call you.
Big tune. People, them are rush to clash. We not reach this yet. I just saw we reach. Ear tune.
It is a week.
Ear tune. I saw we start off clash. Who wants to hurry up them? I be a boss over there, so. A big sound is a gun boss. I land them there, gun state. Ear tune. Turn it up. Ear tune. Now we're not playing with them. Kill them. We are gonna be like Clara. What was that?
A lot of sound why I get no so tonight.
Oh no!
Alright. Here one.
We're not playing with them.
Jeffrey, that was cute.
That was cute, bro.
That was cute, bro.
I bet you
I'm
was.
not gonna lie. I didn't expect that from you, you know. You see me, I say? I didn't know. But here, I'm going to the next one.
Who are the person? Who is the after? So you're not going to rest your time telling it. Look for it. You see the pubic era. We in 19. Blood clot. Tell Rasta material freaky like stuff I'm dead. Him dead, my dad. All of them jam gun man around center port and ball line. It's a turn.
I'm gonna say that. I'm gonna say low to you know.
You done?
Alright.
You done?
What?
Oh God. People. Power Chevy.
Them say low.
You see that you?
Hold on. Can you hear it?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you perfectly. Respect to all the gunman friend.
No, hold on. Because the people them I say low.
You turn up your sound. Fix up.
Hold on there. Can't tell you really the ticket up by you. No! Hold on. I try to see if I can fix it, my head. Alright, hold on. Sound test.
Yeah, don't play my song. Don't play my song. Don't play my song.
Just make sure I say good, my youth. Alright, go on.
People, this is Chevy. You understand? Look for my friend. And this is Jeffrey. We are the Free International. So you understand? I mean, your man say, gunman alone keep gunman friend, right? And my mother always say, show me your friends, I'ma tell you who you are. Me not see you and quite very in a car. Ear tune! 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 Turn it up! Bumbleclad! Turn it up! Turn it up! From them a drinking a chichi man bar. Cool! We not play with them.
Alright, cool.
Alright,
We not play with them.
Alright, when I hear this, when I hear it,
Right here. Right here.
This is Dutchy Dex, the mayor of Miami. Now, with you, the feast is 1 + 1 comedian go clash. But it's actually 1 comedian and 1 funny person. Girl is in Paris. You need to change your name, dog. To girl is worldwide. You have girl in Jamaica, girl in Miami, girl in New York City, girl all over the world. I come to kill them
generic song, yeah. Oh, that's wait. Y'all watch Shatters? Y'all watch Shatters?
what's that?
That's how you know that song? Yo. Y'all watch Shatters?
What is that?
No, that's you watch Shatters?
I've never heard of that.
That's it. That's where you get that song from.
I've never heard that
Let me
song.
show you a blood clot this. Big up my father, Jeffrey. You bumbo clot, Richards. August come from me a bad man. Me I go show you a father and son collab. And I them I go blood clot killer. So you play bounty killer. I saw you play bounty killer. Get to it. What me do? What me do? Look, get to it. Ooh, yeah, bad man. Afro International Bumbo Hole. Yeah, bad man.
Alright, you're empty by the night.
No, straight. Well, I am a rising star, and I forgot to say no more.
That man there with the going to wrap up my back.
Whoa, and all type of things.
What's that for me now? Girl, honestly, brother, may I keep it real, dog. You play this one bag of killer, and you don't know how to play a killer. Understand? So, I can kill her with a killer, but I kill her with killer enemy. Ear tune. I never go real. Ear tune.
Alright, hear me now. You know bumbuckler like me, please. Go and suck your mother. I don't give a fuck about you, nor your friend, nor your fucking enemies.
I saw you play a song.
Fucking associate with you. Go and fuck that ugly fucker who introduced.
I saw you play a blood clot, man.
Fuck and get an ugly fucker like you.
Yeah, but this, ear tune.
That can't go on.
Tell them say me don't know the post them not like me. So me I go step in at them just without me like it. They don't know what me.
Alright, watch out, man. Watch out now. I'm going to play the Dana dance style, because I play some little tune in my youth. Run it.
Well, you see some little boy and come talk about good feet from this side.
What? No, voy a jugar la plata. Otra más. weak, brother. You know. Oh my. Chevy.
You can do what
Chevy.
Go on again.
Look here. Chevy, look here.
Yeah.
Them say, Jay, you're homophobic. Don't this Gallus in Paris because he's gay.
Don't
Oh, them to say that. You didn't know see August where I come from.
Eh?
You didn't know see August where I come from. Eh? We not business about Batty Boy. We kill Batty Boy. You, Quan Terry, and blood clot youngster are dead. You will tell blood clot, you bad man pussy. They know about just me, you had badness. You blood clot tune. Turn up that. That's a joke. You have bad blood clot. Hey, big sound.
It's an anthem. Blaze up the fire, push up your hands, them. Big up the lioness with the lion, them. Fire burn! I'm gonna say holy money will like King Selassie.
You're tune.
Alright. It is good to give thanks unto the Most High King Selassie and sing.
You're tune.
Most High Church. Rastafari to show forth his loving kindness in the morning that they're faithful.
You're tune.
Upon an instrument of 10 strings. Alright. Thank you for them, King. Beautiful people, collection of it. But here's the judgment. Rastaman don't apologize to nobody, boy. If you
Dash.
Alright. Yeah, man, that's that. So, here what? As we say, you do this bag of talking and you chat a bag of cocaine and facts. Alright? We come with logic and facts. Evidence. Play evidence.
Come with logic.
Well, the girls in first, alright? You smooth now, cast the rasta, you know, kind of like vagina, you know. You're too light, I tell you lie for the rasta, you know. Alright, here, play that voice, like that.
Yeah, may I like this pussy?
Fire! What the rasta say, Aya? No, Aya, play that back, Aya. Hold on.
God! I know you, I touch my, I touch that pussy, they just feel like, there's too much flesh down here.
Blood clot. Him can't go there, you know, my dad. Him can't go here because he got get down the grass. Kill him in the gas in the place.
Who moved his mother from one address in Kingston 11 to another address?
They come from Auguston.
It was that little devil.
Kingston 7.
Yo, walk to the transvestite, sodomite, now live another night. One to the bisexual, I said boy, fuck man, dog, and girl. Pull it, one to kingfish, I think queer. Oh, I get my bullets.
I know they're fuck man.
One to the yo, boy, punch.
You don't see about the man on the ganja bar, ready now? You can't talk all blood clot.
It was not the ghetto rebel.
Alright? Your turn.
Gallus. People. I'm asking a question. Who are we in the clash? I know me I win the clash, but I want to tell me say me I win the clash.
You stress out.
Gallus, anything my blood class upon lesbianist podcast, I can back that. A gun me a blood clot talk with you. Attack would be a blood clot batty and suck pussy argument. Your blood clot tune you. Turn it up. What go on? Technical difficulties. Get on!
dedicated to all guys, we are going like them big and brown and take the general for fraud.
Get on!
We go pop up and take
Your
them
blood
out
clot
and
tune!
then come out of it. Watch me now.
Get on!
Then you have a dead. You tell the general and full you up on it.
Who wants to rob them? Who wants to rob them? Who wants to rob them? I would have let them go. Everybody to program. I would have let them go. Ooh!
Me give a thumbs up for 2 songs where you play. Right again. Now, tell me not do too much talking, you know.
Oh, shit. Now, what is
Tell me if you wanna watch hard and see Batman no kill off on the bomb clock. Just tell me if you wanna fix it part. Tell me if you're ready for guns and glass. Tell me if you wanna watch hard and see Batman no kill off on the bomb clock. Tell me if you wanna fix it part. Tell me if you're ready for guns and glass. Tell me if you wanna
Gallus. Eh?
How much time we got now?
Yo, I didn't even know, bro. I swear.
Yeah. Alright.
Alright, Gallus.
No,
Gallus.
more than 4. No.
I think I like 6.
6. Alright.
Gallus. Honestly, so them I say they're weak. Yeah,
I want to say.
yeah, I'm telling this. Me rate you. You understand? Me rate you and you to me look up to that. But this way you play right now, that them tune ya, it hurt my feelings. You see me? So, look bring it go way back now. Look play some real tune now because this way you go on with really don't make no sense, dog. And it hurt my feelings.
Yeah, man, no.
Sound boy, wait a minute.
Boy, you playing on the drum play.
Tell me what can you do to stop your sound from dying?
I wanna know. I said I wanna know now. I said I wanna know. Me I beat them. I saw you play a blood class song, you. I saw you play
that's
a
a simple thing. Anybody who know me knows that that's how I live with music in my youth. You see me I say? So I'm show you some real song right now. Ready? We'll play right now because I'll be a whole heap of talking, you know. You see me I say?
Kick it like a ball. Yo, Rastafari, I know. Aye.
Listen to what I know.
Yo, Rastafari, I know.
Hear me I say no. Ready go.
Somebody
you know what about this man?
Kick it like a ball.
Wait, I go on. I pull up a go on. Wait there. You think that's supposed to scare me? Oh my God! Him play so good, they done good. Him play so good longer. I saw you play a blood clot big tune. Yeah? Here, June.
There's nothing you can do that make me run away from this clash, yeah. And there is no DJ can put that competition to the ninja. Yes, I'm telling it from the start. I will break it all of heart.
Want to fire them! Members of the fire them! We are the Johnny! We are going to murder them in a competition. Cool up! You bad like me, pussy! You bad like me, a country you come from, Batty boy. You bad like me.
Who them say that, man?
Alright, you ready now? You ready? Alright,
Always say song boy. I
wait, no.
when I song boy, and the nasty baby, basket them bonus, go them get this season with starting, or when I'm seeking the same song boy that you but I song boy, and the nasty baby, basket them bonus, go them give them back from the age of 7 or 14 before the speech is letting. Nothing can stop this.
Look on the Apple.
Sorry. Gallus. Honestly, brother, this way I do right now, it really surprised me. But you play some songs I would expect you to play. You understand what I say? We expect them tune here. Is that what you understand?
No, you're good, brother. You're good.
My YouTube video.
Get tune.
Love it, love. Your mad son boy. I mean, your mother make love. I love your girl in a club.
Yeah, no them killer ya.
Them go talk, but them have the most no bang up grog. Say them have the best it a do, but we no care. We no responsive, and up we are go murder them, yes.
Here me tell you, Gallus.
And where's the number?
What tell you, go dub them, mama.
We and we gonna be in the bed together.
Don't be dog, girl. No more me argue. You're not bad, brother.
Wait.
You're not bad, brother.
Alright, ready?
Wait. The man of feet us in the
Is that right, brother? Hey, you're going good enough.
No, now win. I'm not going good, now win. I'm not going good, now win.
That's a fact.
But what you know what?
You don't want to say
You're already, brother.
Let him talk.
You see how wide them get
I
that
will see something to me. It's not nobody.
Oh, much. No. I drop this one, but.
You know the thing.
Yo, take the paper gun there out of the background, brother. Oh, see, I'm gonna be the Lego dad.
No, don't mind.
Good. Them more than
I don't know what.
Jealous. People.
How much we got now?
Yo, now hear me? Yo, you hear me? Chevy, forward, Chevy, I'm talk to you. You know, say, this morning I wake up and I see, what's your name? The dancer girl, they inhale me or inhale we. Me hear say the boy them expose the girl, you know. Me hear say the girl send the boy them pussy in a picture and say, see, they see the pussy there, and them know what to do with the pussy and put the pussy on Twitter.
No, everybody see the pussy.
But me I say, when Lincoln diss them, them buy out the war. So wait there, it's a girl thing, huh? Wait there, a girl straight them up. I saw you play a block clock cartel. I saw you play a cartel. I saw you play a block clock cartel. When I bad on block clock, man. When I bad on. Pull up. When I bomb buck like yo, I want to know.
Nah lie.
I can't tell you now.
Yo, take it. Say that. You don't got BB. This, again, this is disappointing. But you go put more, right? Yeah, I'm gonna DJ my song. You go put more, right? I'm gonna live at Portmore, right? No, I'm gonna play some real Portmore artists where you don't acknowledge. You understand? I saw you play Portmore artists. I saw you play Portmore blood clot artists. Hear tune. Hear tune. Your blood clot tune and the batty boy.
We kill a girl with the highest praise, get the fire. We kill a girl on the corner.
Pull up.
When I block clot tune like this. No, we just have.
No block clot Portmore.
Yo, crime lady. Serious undertaker. Call the rascal undertaker. Now give me some baddest man. Yo,
What do you call it? Like this? What do you call this? Oh, what do you call this? Brother. John, brother, you still there, Portmore? You still there, Portmore? Eh? I want to be still there. Let me show you how you kill cartel with cartel.
You can't get big and gone bad.
You have a bad blood clot, man. You do.
Let me tell you something.
I saw your blood clot play cartel. When I play some tune, I'm expecting for blood clot play.
Murder, me go murder.
What? I want to know.
No matter where them do, them get murder. No matter where them do, them get murder. No matter where them do, them get murder. Move it. Rise and shot.
Pull up.
Hello? We can't do nothing about the sound, you know.
Me not hear you, brother. You're not slow, but me can't hear you.
I'm a slap one in your face. What is it? Me not take intimidation, man. For me, the little boy, me not fear, man. Me tell you, come over the station. Come on, cover up your mother. Inside your back, take money, man, rubber. Two boots, you fit on the sea, and you can't on your face, you think like rubber. Don't let me go and take a beer, go and live father. When you say ready, you can't say you can't bother. It's a thing what you can say, left that to rubber. Say you rise up, it's and then you're another. Come not in a chatting, no clapping, no flipping, no flapping, the strapping, the clapping, the lashing, the clapping, the shaking, the slapping, the rifle, the knocking, him look, but the trapping, the choking, the clapping. People are alone, no clapping, the clapping, the
That's done.
Bro, the thing hard right now. When you get live on, your man live right so
You know what say?
me don't know what to tell you.
Gyalis.
So, no.
You play one bag of cartel, brother. I'm good, brother. Come on, laptop. You play one bag of cartel. And you still, I expect you to play that song out of all the songs that you play. Why you not play that one, yeah? Why you not play that one, yeah? Why you not play that block clock one, yeah?
Wanna play quick?
Jump on the bar. Very Stop! Police there! You just say be a police there. You just say be a police there. Jesus Christ! Murder!
Ready now?
Excuse to leave the water.
You can't play cartel.
We're good, man. Go on.
What? We're not song.
How much time we got now?
Me don't know. I know me I win.
We can play.
Alright, good man.
Ready?
You play one bag of cartel. You see, say you can't beat me with cartel, right? Now you play Movado, and at that you play, I saw you play Movado.
Gunshot for the bomb boxer. When the squeeze, them find what it is.
What the land water and I live, boy, what a green, told me even she can't believe. She see me cry, man. In a big day, say, what the boy, what? They go know, so the ear, what me do? Murder, you look better for your funeral, they come to do what? That's sure that. I saw you play blood clot, Movado. You never did bomb and Gully and Gaza war. When you get fucking a dagger bus, metro them, ambashment. What do you ban? You don't know about limelight. This is not enough Malabar.
Anyway, young stuff for
Kijk, niet dat je maar pakken. Ja. Oh God, you keep on to play the song them. What I expect you. I not play on the blood clot same rhythm. If you have blood clot predict, if you are juggling a blood clot, just like him come for blood clot kill. Gyalis forward. Me I talk to you. You understand? Me not understand how you name Gyalis in Paris and have batty ways. It no make no blood clot sense. You see, if you don't change your blood clot ways, we're going to change it for you.
They don't change. We gon' do something about it. Are you ready? We gon' do something about it.
Now be champion now. And if you can I saw you play a blood clot tune. I saw you play a tune, Batty Boy. You know what I want you? I want you. I saw you play a Rasta blood clot tune. You have to fuck your eye with you. People from a company life, I'm telling you, I come from August Town, Jungle 12, 27 August Town, big up Vietnam, big up Gola, big up River, big up Hermitage, Color Red, Judgment Yard. You can't play blood classes and kill me. You're mad? You're blood clot mad? I saw you play blood clot Kalonji. You're Rastaman pussy. Here too, I don't know.
Yo! Ganja smoke, next day 1, 2, 3.
What is that?
Fuckers, them side trash and some fucking gun spray.
I don't think I'm gonna run over. I know the fuck I don't want them. I am coming for no one. Just not giving us some more. What is that? I'm gonna run over them. Extra load the fuck I don't want them. Fuckers, you mean nothing to dash. Like that. Yo, don't play with me, you know. Don't play with blood clot this August Town, don't play.
Alright, yo, we got 2 more songs, yeah?
Ready?
Alright.
I finish my job.
I'm not so blazing fire, but not corruption, man. Where them are going to destruction. We have no one of them going to come. I'm so can't stop it. God don't you say, get to the point. Can't is the Rasta man and I'm going to tell it when we don't keep on time. Get to the point.
He's weak, bro.
I know the best things you got to feel. So to them got to feel. Tell me that you're going to the cannon jail. So feel. Tell them
Lot of time, brother. People. I already win. But you see me as a man? You see me as a man? I believe in a friendship. I'm not talking about I believe in a friendship. I believe in a brothership because I believe in a brotherhood. You understand what I say? Big up to Chevy. Chevy, show your face. My next time can't show your face because he wanted. But I want big up to Bumbuckler 2 on the blood clot price. Here, blood clot June. Here, June. What we do?
Yeah, listen, Paris. Pussy like him like
my blood clot, please.
money, fuck him in a hood.
That.
No man, in a Honda. He want to be a man.
You're not a dog.
Fuck him in a Honda.
When do?
He want to be a man.
When do?
Fuck him in a Honda.
Me a bad Bumbuckler this here. No. Bumbuckler that.
Yo, pack it up.
Alright, that's it. Alright.
Yo, hear me say now.
Yeah.
Clash done. The clash done.
Alright. So,
Really? Come.
You done? Alright, so I'm going to give my last song.
Give me that.
can't play my last
Speaking
song.
them never hear it.
Done. Them want about the dub. Them want about the dub. Now man, you lose already, man. Come on.
Back it up,
No,
man.
man, play my last song. Where are they? Them want about the dub. Them want level it. Where Level it. Alright, ready?
Alright, play, got you, play.
Alright.
Winner.
Understand? I want to big up your artist, T1,
True.
right?
Big up your
Big up
artist.
T1, isn't it?
Big
We
up.
have a bad artist named Chaos. Alright, so big
No,
up
it's not about like Tuani.
We don't know
Big
it.
up like dopamine, act like under.
Hold on, no?
I'm done with it.
Come on, girl.
Nigga, what's going on? What's that?
A war time, man.
Yeah.
Madness for the girl team. Them for no case I represent the gangster Paris the bodies. Some boy come now and talk about the name J-Fred. Well, I think him should have named J-Fred. I don't want to get him to say that shit on me, they say. Joke thing.
We have a woman, man, a party boy. Now we not promote a party man, them happy day. We have a woman, now we not promote a party man, them happy day.
Nah, bro.
No, I'm fucking. I'm taking my heart. No, I'm fuck last time. I'm bad them, Yo, you done? Father Lord, I come before you today because I have sinned. Father Lord, can I talk?
Hey.
Yo, reverence, please. Father Lord, I have killed today. I have sinned. And I hope you can forgive me. I have to come to you and tell you my sins. I saw you play a blood clot gospel tune. I saw you play a gospel tune. Father, please forgive me. Please forgive me. Shalom. Father, Lord, please forgive me. You never mean to kill him. Please, burden. Father, I'm sorry. You're the Lord and Savior.
Jeffrey.
I want to know where for the hand. Tell them bye-bye. I want them to say, I must step.
Yeah, but I'm trying to overthrow the next person.
Them want.
Load of voice, brother.
No, a bigger song. A bigger song.
Punchline.
But kill the whole of Uno.
Oh.
Uno not bad.
Oh.
Uno not bad. Uno come here in the fuck you down. Hey, Chaos, don't beg me no more posts. Chaos, don't beg me no more posts. I got the block clock personal. I take them thing the personal. They want what they do. Yalis. May I play what they do because they want what they do. Please, may I play it because they want what they do.
Yeah, play what?
They want what they do.
Them boy they are fool, Jeffrey.
They want what.
When it comes to loving now, you run a place, you know. Mash up the board upon life. Watch a style, yeah. Jeffrey, so you roll out, so you roll in. Y'all listen, Paris, me and pussy like him like protein.
Hey.
Funny, fuck him in a Honda, never give him number. In a Honda, he want to be a lumber, money fuck him in a Honda. He want to be a lumber,
fucking me no know. He must take me a number.
What is that, Honda?
Any girl him see him fucking pump pump. Get a whining nine feet. All I do the rum rum.
What about the
That's better.
Honda? What about the Honda?
Hold on.
Why time drive a Honda? What?
Yeah, Liam. Yeah, Liam. Yeah, Liam.
Hey,
What Honda?
they play a beer in your
The
head.
man's no, then, you know what I'm saying?
When Liam.
He said, yo, chaos. Don't leave him no work no more. Yo, tell him something, brother. You know?
When I'm more time.
Yeah, alright, brother.
Wait. Please, don't move. Please. One more. How much I want? I'm counting now. 1, 2, 3.
Full on gun on the Gaza. Then some Wi-Fi like
Mother. The blood clot clip. When I play with them.
Yeah. That's on a 4-pixel. Talk about this Honda.
Yo, big up on yourself, dog.
Yeah, dog, big up yourself, brother.
Yo. That's one of them things, you see me?
Yeah, man.
We are friend, right? We are friend, right?
Eh?
You see the candidacy, one coach, Peter, we are the champions. We are friend, right?
Of course, brother. What are you doing that?
No, please go, brother.
Hey,
Come on, hear it, so thank you. Just want to make sure you are a friend, dog.
No, brother.
Yo, brother, who's the one?
Hey, I ain't idea.
One
Entertainment,
play,
brother.
we are the champions. What is that?
I say, in idea, entertainment, you know.
Okay. You see, you can't hear it. Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, Judah. Come, Shelly. Come. We are the champions, my friend.
Young man, them vote for themselves.
And we keep on fighting to the end. We are the champions. No time for
You too.
we are the champions.
This time the karaoke.
Oh, the karaoke class.
Karaoke time, yeah.
The karaoke class. I didn't know it was a karaoke class.
It was good.
Alright, brother.
It was good. But listen, next time, work but not being predictable. You understand?
Eh? No, me not work for nothing, because I'm not a DJ, so I'm not ready. You know what I'm saying? You know ready. You see?
Where you need us then, no? Can't see, say.
Clearly winning a life.
Him suck tough, no one I like, though. Enough too, boy. Toe man. Yeah, that's me. I drop my niggas, I'm that. Big up niggas. Remember tomorrow.
Big up niggas, we do a party there.
Yeah. But yo, we link, brother. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Look more. Respect. Yeah, people. I'm crazy. I'm fucking crazy. Right? And the police, them that downstairs, I wait for me. Because I kill these niggas. I do this shit. Yeah, I'm a fucking monster. I'm a fucking monster. I'm crazy. People, remember, go listen to Lesbianist podcast. It's on fucking YouTube. The link is in my bio.